it going. It's me, Betty Jean. Today I did a little tutorial on the eye look that I was wearing in my March favorites video that was requested. Use the Kat Von D Divine palette for this look. So if you're interested in seeing how I created it, then just keep watching. So I primed my eyes with some concealer and now we're just gonna jump into some shadows. I'm gonna pick up a very small amount of Hard Magic and I'm just slowly and lightly just gonna start tapping this on the inner and outer corner. You're going to want to use a brush that's a little bit fluffier so that you can kind of blend in the crease as well as lay that shadow down. So with that general shape, I'm just going to keep going back in with Hard Magic until it's built up to the intensity that I want it. I'm just gonna take any clean, fluffy brush and I'm just gonna blend out these edges just a little bit more, nothing too crazy. This look honestly is so simple, doesn't require too many shadows, just takes a little bit of patience building up the colors. I'm even gonna take that brush and just carry it all the way through the middle of the crease because it's not gonna transfer too much of that product, just enough to cast a light shadow. I'm gonna go ahead and grab a generous amount of Babs and I'm gonna start packing this right in the center. All the way up, even into that crease just slightly. Taking that brush that I used Hard Magic with no product on it, I'm just gonna start kind of diffusing these edges and just lightly kind of tapping right where they meet. That's pretty much it. I'm just gonna take that fairly clean brush again and just swirl through again. I'm gonna go ahead and take this Urban Decay Perversion black eyeliner and just really sloppily work this into my waterline and under my lower lash line. It's gonna look so scary, just go with it. So I'm just taking any pencil brush with no product and I'm just gonna work on smudging this out. I kind of wipe the brush off every so often just so there's not too much product on it. Now I'm gonna take the shade Pink Flamingos and I'm gonna start running this right on top of what we just did. Now I'm just gonna again take any clean brush and I'm gonna start smoking this out as well. Taking a little bit more Hard Magic and I'm just gonna re-intensify these outer corners just a tad bit, only because my eyes are watering, so I need to bring that back. For my inner corner, I'm taking the Sugarpill Lumi loose eyeshadow. I've been slowly buying a lot of Sugarpill products. I'm just waiting for a couple eyeshadows to go in stock so I can buy an eyeshadow palette, and then I plan on doing a full in-depth review on their products. So I didn't particularly want to use any of their products on camera until then, but this look was requested, so here we are. I'm just taking any fluffier pencil brush and just popping that right in the inner corner. Love the way this looks with this eye look. I'm just taking a little bit more Babs for my brow bone. So this is the full completed look. I hope you like it. For my lip, I just took Jeffree Star's Weirdo liquid lipstick and I just tapped some of the Pink Flamingo shade and the Lumi shadow on top. I really love this look. I loved creating it again. If I'm ever wearing a look in a video that I didn't do a tutorial on, I'm just doing a different kind of video, but you want to see a tutorial on it, please let me know and I will get to it. Again, this look is not super hard, does not take too many shadows. It just takes a little bit of patience. If you ever recreate one of my looks, please tag me on Instagram or Twitter or somewhere where I can see it because I love seeing your recreations. Speaking of which, if you're not already following me on Instagram, it's beautybybettyjean. Follow me there. I post every single day, and don't forget to subscribe here before you leave. I post every 2 to 3 days. Let me know what other videos you want to see on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll catch you in the next one. Okay, bye. Now I'm just gonna... So loud. Stop being loud. Hurry up and drive by. Thank you.
I'm on stage with a face like a screwdriver.